Hello, welcome once again. Today we want to find the value of x given that we have x raised to the power 6 minus 7x cubed equals 8. So guys, let's have it to be solution. So we have x raised to the power 6 minus 7x cubed equals 8. Now from here, you can have x raised to the power 6 to be equals x raised to the power 3 all in brackets then raised to the power 2. So guys, let's substitute this here. Then we're going to have it to be x cubed all in brackets again raised to the power 2 minus 7s cubed equals 8. So from here, since we have s cubed in common here and here, we can let it to be another variable, let's say m. So we're going to have it here to be m, then all square minus 7m equals 8. So guys, we have this to be m square minus 7m equals 8. Let's take this one to this side, then we're going to have it to be m square minus 7m minus 8 equals 0. So obviously, this is a quadratic and we can solve it quadratically. But mind you that when you have minus 8m plus m minus 8m plus m, this will be equals minus 7m. This is true. Now guys, let's substitute this here in order to do something reasonable. Then we have it to be m squared minus 8m plus m minus 8 equals 0. Now let's package this together and this together. We have m squared minus 8m all in brackets, then we have plus m minus 8 equals 0. So guys, we have m in common here. We can have it to be m out, then this will be m, this one will be minus 8 plus m minus 8 equals 0. m minus 8 is common. Let's factor it out to be m minus 8. Then we're going to have it to be m plus 1 equals 0. Now from here, for this condition to be satisfied, is either we have m minus 8 equals 0 or m plus 1 equals 0, or two of them equals 0 at the same time. So we have m plus 1 equals 0. Now from here, we have m to be equals 8. And from here, we have our m to be equals minus 1. So guys, let's assume we want to solve for m equals 8, but then recall that we have from the above our m equals s cubed. So therefore, we're going to have it here to be m equals 8 equals s cubed, which implies that s cubed equal minus 8 equals 0 by rearranging it. But mind you that we can have 8 to be in base 3 as 2 raised to the power 3. So we have it to be x cubed minus 2 raised to the power 3 equals 0. Now the difference of 2 cubed, when you have it to be something like this, mind you that a cube minus b cube equals a minus b all in bracket, then multiply by a square plus ab plus b square all in bracket. Now by making the comparison of the two expressions above, we have our a to be equals x and our b to be equals 2. So now from here we have x cube minus 2 raised to power 3 to be equals x minus 2 and a equals x. Then we are going to have it here to be x squared plus our a is x, our b is 2, then we are going to have it to be 2x, then our b is 2, then we are going to have it to be 2 squared, which equals 4, and everything equals 0 from here. So guys, we have our x minus 2 all in brackets multiply by x squared plus 2x plus 4 all in brackets equals 0. Likewise here again, is either we have x minus 2 equals 0, or we have x squared plus 2x plus 4 to be equals 0. So therefore we have x equals 2, and we can declare this to be x1 equals 2. Likewise guys, when you have x squared, you can solve this using quadratic formula to be minus b positive or negative square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a, and we are going to have this to be our a from the above is the coefficient of the highest power, which is x squared. Then we have the coefficient to be equals 1. Then the coefficient of the next one, which is x, is 2, and the constant value is 4, which is equals c. Let's put everything there and let's see how or what we're going to have when we're going to have this to be minus 2 positive or negative square root of 2 square will be 4 minus 4 multiplied by a is 1, c is 4, all divided by 2 multiplied by 1. So ladies and gentlemen, we have our x to be equals minus 2 positive or negative, then square root of 4, then minus 16 divided by 2. So from here we have it to be x equals minus 2 positive or negative square root of minus 12 divided by 2. So we have x to be equals minus 2 positive or negative square root of 12 multiplied by square root of minus 1 divided by 2. We have x to be equals minus 2 positive or negative square root of 12 is 2 root 3. Then square root of this minus 1 will be I from complex number. So we have this to be 2 divided by 2 positive or negative 2 root 3 divided by 2 root 3i divided by 2. So this we cancel this. We have 1 positive or negative. This will also cancel this. We have root 3i. And so therefore we can also have this to be x2 equals 1 by taking positive, then 1 plus root 3i. Let's take negative again, then we have s3 to be equals 1 minus root 3i. Also, we have to recall that we have our m to be equals minus 1 as well. So when m equals minus 1, but we have s cubed to be equals m. So therefore, we have x cubed to be equals minus 1. Let's rearrange. We have s cubed to be plus 1 equals 0. Mind you, when you have 1 cube equals 1. So we can have here to be x raised to the power 3 plus 1 raised to the power 3 equals 0. And from here, you have x cube plus 1 cube equals a raised to the power 3 plus b raised to the power 3 equals a plus b in brackets, then multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square. So let us apply it in the above. Our a equals x, our b equals 1. So therefore, guys, you have s cube plus 1 cube to be equals a x plus 1 into x squared minus x plus 1 equals 0. Is it that from here, it's either we have x plus 1, x multiplied by x squared minus x plus 1 equals 0. You can have x plus 1 equals 0, or we have x squared minus x plus 1 equals 0. Obviously, that from here, we're going to have our x to be equals minus 1, which therefore we can have this to be x4 to be equals minus 1. Now from here as well, you have x squared. We can have the value of x to be minus b, positive or negative, square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then we have this to be a equals 1, then b equals minus 1, and c equals 1. So let's cook everything together. Then we're going to have it to be x equals plus 1, positive or negative, square root of 1 minus 4 multiplied by a 1, c equals 1, all divided by 2 multiplied by 1. And this will be equals 1 positive or negative, square root of 1 will be 3i divided by 2. So we have this to be x5 1 plus square root of 3i divided by 2. Then we can have x6 to be equals 1 minus root 3i divided by 2. So if you are new here, once again, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. So we have x1 to be 2, x2 to be 1 plus root 3i, x3 to be equals 1 minus root 3i, x4 to be equals minus 1, x5 equals this, x6 equals this. But we are looking for a real solution. We are looking for real solutions. We don't want a complex solution. So therefore, we rejected complex solutions. So therefore, guys, we can declare finally our x1 equals 2, x2 equals minus 1. So therefore guys, to check, we have x raised to the power 6 minus 7x cubed equals 8. When x equals 2, then are they going to be equals to 2 raised to the power 6 minus 7 into bracket of 2 raised to the power 3 is it going to be equals 8. You have 64 minus, this will be 7 multiplied by 8, then it's going to be equals 8. Then we have 64 minus 56, they're going to be equals 8. 8 equals 8. This is true for the value of x equals 2. Now, when x equals minus 1, we have x raised to the power 6, 7x cubed equals 8. So let's say minus 1 all raised to the power 6, 7, 2, minus 1 raised to the power 3 is going to be equals 8. This one will be 1. Then this one will be minus 7 into minus 1 is going to be equals 8. So from here we have 1 plus 7, which equals 8. So this is true for the value of x equals minus 1. So once again, comments, like, share, recommend, subscribe. Bye bye.